Today I will show how to prepare super soft chicken bread. All-purpose flour 4 cups, sugar 1 tablespoon, milk powder 2 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, instant yeast 1 tablespoon, olive oil 4 tablespoon, egg 1 piece. Lukewarm water 1 cup plus 3 tablespoon. Add sugar with flour. Instant yeast, milk powder, salt. Mix all dry ingredients. Olive oil, egg, mix it. Gradually add warm water. Now knead it for 10 minutes. My dough is ready. Grease olive oil all over the dough. Cover with plastic paper. Keep in warm place for 1 hour. Onion 3 piece, garlic 1 piece, green capsicum 1 piece, spring onion half cup, yellow capsicum half cup, chicken powder 2 teaspoon, white pepper 1 tablespoon, flour 3 tablespoon, large tomato 1 piece, egg 1 piece, oregano 1 teaspoon. Boiled chicken with 1 teaspoon salt half kg and boiled milk 1½ cup. In a pan add 2 tablespoon olive oil. Onion, garlic, fry for 2 minutes. Salt, tomatoes, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, spring onion. Mix well. Add boiled chicken. Chicken powder, oregano, white pepper, tomato ketchup. Now mix well. flour. Mix it until it becomes thick. Now add boiled milk. Mix well. See the texture? It is done. Now switch off the flame. Let it cool. Now transfer it on a plate. After 1 hour, dough becomes double in volume. Now punch it. Dust flour. Place the dough. Give a round shape. Divide into 3 pieces. Take one piece of dough, give a round shape, roll the bread and give a oval shape. See the bread. Place the stuffing in the center of the bread. Split each side of the bread. Now cross both sides. Take another bread and repeat the same process. Brush beaten eggs. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. My chicken bread is ready. Now brush butter. See, it is super soft. See the texture of the bread. Chicken bread is a very healthy, super delicious and a complete meal. It is very simple to do. Everybody will love this delicious chicken bread. Hope enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching YouTube channel Health is Beauty.